It is widely used in black sesame balls, black sesame cakes, rice bar and other square, round, rod-shaped, spherical, automatic forming machines. Enabling unmanned operation. Using computer control, advanced design, stable, no impact, no shaking. Solve such problems as domestic counterparts, slow vibration. Mold and hopper are designed with food-grade material production, health and safety. Automatic fabric material, automatic feeding, automatic ejection, and low defects. Easy to operate and maintain. Welcome to contact us.